Can AI-generated content use copyrighted material? Imagine creating a piece of art or writing a story with the help of artificial intelligence. You might wonder, can this work include parts of copyrighted material? Let's explore how current laws handle this tricky question. Copyright law protects original works like books, music, and art that are fixed in a tangible form. The law says only humans can be authors, meaning works created entirely by machines or AI without human input usually aren't protected. If an AI makes a painting or writes a story with no meaningful human involvement, it generally isn't eligible for copyright. But if a person steps in and changes, arranges, or picks parts of AI-generated content, that human effort can be protected. Think of it like building a new house from a blueprint. Your modifications make it your own. The key is how much human creativity is involved. If you just give a simple prompt and the AI does all the work, the result isn't protected. However, if you significantly shape or refine the AI output, your contribution might be protected by copyright. Another big question is whether AI developers can use copyrighted works to train their models. Training involves feeding AI large amounts of data, like books, images, or music, which may be copyrighted. In the United States, this use is in a legal gray area. The doctrine of fair use allows limited use of copyrighted material for purposes like education or research. Some argue that training AI models is fair use because it transforms the original material into something new. However, this isn't settled law. Lawsuits are ongoing about whether using copyrighted content for AI training is legal. If courts decide against it, AI companies might need to get licenses for their training data, which could change how they operate. Even if AI-generated content isn't protected by copyright, it can still infringe on existing works. For example, if you prompt an AI to create a story or image that closely resembles a copyrighted character or song, that could violate the original creator's rights. The AI might reproduce protected elements it learned during training, especially with distinctive works. This is sometimes called the Snoopy problem, where AI models accidentally copy recognizable features of copyrighted works. For creators and businesses, understanding these rules is important. If you want to protect AI-influenced work, adding substantial human input is necessary. Simply giving a prompt isn't enough for copyright. Also, being transparent about AI's role in creating content can help avoid legal issues. Some countries like the United Kingdom may grant limited copyright to computer-generated works, but the United States keeps a strict rule that human authorship is needed. Right now, U.S. law doesn't have special rules for AI-created works. The existing laws depend on how much human effort is involved. As technology advances, courts and lawmakers are watching closely. They're considering whether new laws are needed to clarify these issues. For now, everyone involved in AI content creation should stay informed and be cautious about using copyrighted material. In summary, AI-generated content can include copyrighted material when used for training under fair use, but the legal situation remains uncertain. Purely AI-created works are generally not protected by copyright unless humans significantly shape them. Human involvement is key, and being open about AI's role in creation helps protect everyone. The future of AI and copyright law will likely continue to evolve as new cases and policies develop.